Hello everyone, how are you? This is Sahil Atri from Mobility Solutions, and today through this video I've brought you rear conversion Kia CARENS. Now these ramps are pretty simple to use and very beneficial for persons with disability wheelchair users, and I'm going to show you how to operate them. There are numerous benefits of rear entry in a car for a wheelchair user, one of which is more space as compared to side entry. The ramps are made up of stainless steel and aluminium sheets. We offer the highest quality material and are still able to give you the best price possible. Talking about ramps, you'll never get stuck in a car with manual ramps. They require no maintenance and are liberated of any malfunction. They are less complex and extremely easy to use, provided with supporters to keep it steady on the grounds and proper locking system on the ramps for noise cancellation. These ramps are safe, reliable and affordable to all. We all know the floor of every car is uneven and there is a limited space in the boot, which makes it difficult to accommodate a wheelchair inside it. So, for that specific reason, we have leveled the floor and brought it down of this car. And not only that, we have also done proper matting so that it looks just like it was before. However, even after leveling the floor, how would you manage the height of the wheelchair in a car with a person sitting on it? Don't worry, we also have a solution for that: roof extension, which helps a wheelchair user in a safe entry and exit with a comfortable sitting all through the journey. We have also kept the second row seats in Kia CARENS as per the customer's demand, without compromising on the comfort of the wheelchair user. And these seats can also be folded to make a little more room for the wheelchair. The exterior fabrication and paintwork is also done with utmost precision, considering all the aerodynamic parameters for a safe and smooth drive. Accessibility means the freedom to the wheelchair users of whenever and wherever they want to go. And Mobility Solutions is here to guide you all along the way in choosing the best automobile for your traveling with dignity. So for the same requirements, feel free to contact us on the given numbers. And we will end this video here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.